how to use a simple pinch bail connector. So here is a finding of the pinch bail connector that we're going to use today. And here is the bead that we're going to be using it with. It has a pretty nice size hole there. Perfect size for the connector that we're using. So to use a pinch bail, it's very simply, you don't even need any tools. You simply pull it using just your fingers. Sometimes you might need a little bit of pressure. Careful not to twist it too much. You don't want to bend the shape of the bail itself. Then once you have it opened up, put the little prongs through the holes, one hole, and then you can just pinch it closed with the other side, putting it through the bead hole. Now you can secure this with glue if you choose to, but it's not necessary. It's a pretty strong finding. So once you have that pinch close, that bead is on there. Now simply you have your chain put through the top bail, and easily you have a beautiful pendant. You didn't even need any tools. Now you would finish off your chain with its appropriate findings, clasp and jump rings, but there you have a simple pinch bail connector and bead.